Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about parallel lines and the transversal and some of the properties that come out of these parallel lines and transversal. So first off, we note that these two lines are parallel, and according to the definition, parallel lines, they don't meet. Another definition of parallel lines is that they meet at infinity. And a line that goes across the two parallel lines, or even three or four or five parallel lines, that line is called a transversal. And some very interesting properties come out of this. The first property is called the alternate angle, or it's also called the Z pattern. So alternate angles, and that's a symbol for alternate angles, or Z pattern. Okay, so what does that mean? So draw the letter Z like that. If you draw like that, and like this, and if you draw like that, then the angles that are here, included those angles, they are equal. So that's a Z pattern. Well, you can also draw the Z pattern in a slightly different way. You can draw it this way as well. So like that and like that. And when you do, these angles, B and B, that's kind of like a reverse or a reflection of the um, alternate angle. So those angles are equal as well. There is another pattern called the corresponding angle. So the corresponding angle. Okay, that's the angle symbol. And this is also called the F pattern. So let's draw the letter F here. So that's that's one part of it, there's the other part of it, and that is the third part of it, and that's the F pattern. These two angles are equal. Okay, so notice here, the below the top parallel line and below the second parallel line over there. So you can draw other F patterns as well. So that is equal to that as well. Okay, we can also say that this angle is also C. We know that is from the earlier video, and we know that that angle is also C because it's a vertical angle. This angle is also D because that is a vertical angle as well. And what about the other patterns that might emerge here? So it's kind of zoomed out of, okay, now that's good. So here, the third pattern is what you call the C pattern. Okay, so the C pattern is the letter C, like that. And so this angle and this angle, they are not equal in this case. If that angle is A and that angle is B, then we can write A plus B. They add up to 180 degrees. Okay, we also have another C pattern. If we do a reflection of this C pattern, it'll be on this side or the other side like that. And so if this angle is C and this angle is D, then I have again C plus D is 180 degrees. Okay, so these are the relationships that you really need to know for solving the problems in this section. Okay, see you in the next video.